Hello everyone, come with me as we head out to distribute relief goods. These were entrusted to me by Tita Chloe and her friends who wanted to extend their kindness to those who need it most. Our destination for today is Guadalupe, Bogor City, Cebu, a place where help rarely reaches because of the rough roads and the distance from town. Despite that, we are determined to make our way there and deliver what we can. But our main stop for today will be in Mabuang, Guadalupe, Bogor City, Cebu. After talking to some of the residents, they shared that they often have to travel all the way to town just to receive relief goods. That's why we are doing our best to bring help closer to them. Every little act of kindness counts, and today we are taking another small step to make a difference.
Ya, selamat.